gonna take this over there to the kitchen. Coconut, we make torches in our islands when we go fishing at night. We bund all of them together. So from the coconut husk to the coconut leaf to the coconut shell. Some nice rocks for this cooking. So today we'll be making a sauce that we use brown sugars, fresh coconut milk, which is going to be the next process. Very important that you hydrate yourself just to cook. And then you gotta clean out your tools. Then you gotta hydrate yourself again. So one of my daily chores when I was a little boy is feeding the chickens coconuts. Every morning, every evening, and then the sad times when the chickens had to leave for dinner and they never returned. It was the best chicken ever. So this milk is gonna be very, very rich and straight up milk, not even diluted. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take some of these rocks. I'm gonna try and look for the nice hot ones so we can start the sauce. The one with the brown sugar and the coconut milk. This one looks like a nice. See that color?
Talofa, my friend.
Oh, hey, chef! What a pleasure.
Oh, pleasure's all mine.
What's
How
going
are you
on
this morning?
What bring you to my kitchen?
I heard you were talking about some sauce in the islands with the rock and all that, but you know what? I think I'm hungry for some fish.
Well, you know what? Let's just get it going then.
Let's do this.
Let's see what you bring to my table.
Wow.
Okay, so my sauce include brown sugar and coconut milk.
Okay, so we got coconut milk and brown sugar. Perfect, we got that. Now the coconut milk was made fresh this morning, right?
That's what I said earlier. I hand squeezed it. I woke up so early. Make
Nice.
some milk.
I like it.
Any other questions?
No, is that how we do it in Samoa?
That's exactly how we do it. Fresh coconut milk on the rock. See that? Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful.
And now here goes the brown sugar.
Okay, okay. Guys, you're not gonna get that anywhere else. hot rocks, hot lava rocks and brown sugar melting, cooked by this beautiful chef right here. Oh my gosh.
Handsome chef.
Beautiful. I like it.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Thank you, sir.
But seriously, guys, I don't know if you guys can smell this, but I'm smelling it, and I'm smelling it for you. It's amazing. It is seriously amazing. This brown sugar and coconut milk, absolutely beautiful. Just look at that. Guys, this is Mother Nature in its work. And this is exactly why I love cooking. We're using nature, and we're using rocks, we're using all these elements that has been created for us.
Taste it.
We're gonna taste this now. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely fantastic. It's beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's like a laxative.
Wow. Thank you.
You want more sugar to it?
Yes, we're gonna add just a little bit more sugar because now the thing that's the vinaigrette that I'm gonna make is gonna have a little bit of acid.
Davina, what? Let me get another nice rock, because this rock is running out of heat.
I love that, guys. Check that out. That is absolutely beautiful.
Oh yeah,
look
see
at that. Look at that. Now, see,
I meant to do that.
that sort of cooking is an experience that you're not gonna get anywhere else except here. That sauce, the base of that sauce that I'm gonna make has reached that level of perfection. I like the texture, I like the viscosity of the sauce, I like the color, I like the smell, I like everything about it. It's beautiful, it's perfect.
And simple, right?
Yes.
But now you're gonna mess it all up with your spices.
You know what? This is kampachi. Kampachi is all the way from Kona. Now this kampachi is a very sustainable fish. It's beautiful, it's fresh. I love using kampachi because it's very versatile and you can actually eat this fish raw. It's beautiful, it's healthy, it's delicious, it's everything you would want in a fish. Such a beautiful fillet. Very, very excellent, beautiful piece of fish. And we're going to take this fish and we're gonna try and cut it in half. We're just gonna take what we need right now, okay?
It's a lot of waste.
And we're not gonna need the skin, so we're gonna remove the skin just like that.
Waste.
Yeah.
We eat
Such
the skin
beautiful.
too.
Right now, I think we're gonna do what we're doing. And
Oh yeah, yeah, you're the professional chef.
Yeah.
Like I said, you know, I'm a simple chef.
Right at this moment, we don't need the bones, we don't need the skin. We're just gonna need the fish, okay?
What
So-
about the eyeballs?
However, this time we're not gonna make sashimi, we're not gonna eat it completely raw. We're gonna sear the fish. And I saw how you made that sauce, so we're gonna do the same exact thing. So Chris, if you could kindly get me a piece of rock, it's right up here. Beautiful. Perhaps the other side.
That's why I turn it the other side.
Yeah, turn it upside.
I'm gonna turn you upside down soon. How you like that?
I like it. It's beautiful.
Oh,
it's
you would like
perfect.
that, huh?
Yes, beautiful. Now this is our burner. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's got that crevice right there. So we're gonna grab. Now he's got his tong and I got mine. Okay, we're gonna grab that and we're gonna place it just right up there. You hear that? That sound.
Whoa!
Excellent.
It's moving.
It's searing. It's tightening up the skin, and we're not gonna cook it completely because we're searing, and that's all we need. That little nice brown Maillard reaction right there is all we want. That little earthiness and that flavor, yet at the same time, fish still being raw. Continue on. I'm gonna do this. This is beautiful, guys.
I wish my ancestor have a nice tweezer like that one.
Now, if you don't get excited over things like this, then I don't know. Then yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with you.
I'm excited.
Good.
I'm excited right now.
The smell, the look, everything that's happening right there.
I see that it's still a little raw in the middle.
Absolutely, and that's exactly what we're going for. Raw, completely raw, but just nicely seared on the outside to give us that flavor. If you could please kindly take this rock away from me, please. And we're gonna move on to the next step of building this dish.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now that we got the fish ready, we're gonna move on to the next step, which is we're gonna build this dish a little bit, okay?
Well, I was not good enough building earlier.
You know, you don't really need to cut cilantro, guys. Cilantro is so fresh, so green. All you gotta do is just tear it. We got some sea asparagus, and then we got some radish, and we also got some limu. Okay, limu is seaweed. And we got some cherry tomatoes. We're gonna add just a little bit of this sambal. And then we're gonna add a little bit of this calamansi. We're gonna squeeze this calamansi. If you can't find calamansi, go ahead and use some lemon. If you can't find lemon, go ahead and use some lime. Now with the kaffir lime leaves, we're gonna roll into like a cigar and we're gonna cut it real finely, okay? We're gonna chiffonade this kaffir lime leaves. Now we're gonna grab some lemongrass. We got lemongrass. Now I love cooking lemongrass. Not too much work that needs to be done. With this, all you have to do is just put your knife right on top and smack. Just like that. And we're gonna mix it. Oh. You see, we actually don't need a whisk. We got ourselves a whisk right here. It's incorporating that flavor in there. However, I like mine tasting a little bit more lemongrassy. So I'm gonna actually cut some lemongrass. Once you get to that nice midriff part, you cut it in half, and then you're gonna slice it real thinly. The last thing you want to do is you're going to add just a little bit of this fish sauce, okay? Now the fish sauce, not too much. It's going to add a little umami in there.
All the sauce.
This is the sauce. Now we're going to grab this sauce and we're going to just lightly drizzle on top. This is a very simple, quick, raw fish, raw seared kampachi dish. This is what cooking needs to be about.
Okay, should I go ahead and taste it?
You know what, Chris? I think we should absolutely go ahead and try it out right now.
All right. I want to get the one with the saucy on it.
Oh, yes. What do you think?
Wow. That is, I don't know how to explain it, but I think just melts in my mouth. It's so good. All these flavors, I can taste all those things that you added to the sauce.
Beautiful.
And it still has that same old flavor of the hot rocks with the coconut milk.
That essence of his traditional Samoan sauce and the collaboration of all these unique ingredients from the other parts of the world onto this is absolutely beautiful, guys. This is what food is about. This is what cooking is about. Food is love. Cooking is love.
Thank you, chef. Oh, my hands are saucy.